What is up, you guys? It's your boy Hector and your boy Vic back at it again, and we are about to do something, some double work. Just a quick update. I'm gonna upload this video before I even upload like 3 videos that I had coming up on the floor pan. I still haven't even finished the floor pan, so I need to get started on that, but not right now. So we are going to work on something else. We have the 85 Monte Carlo outside. This is a little sneak peek of something that you're gonna see in another video that I will be posting after this video. So y'all don't know what's going on with that yet. So whenever you guys see that video, stay tuned, because this is just a quick update. What basically we're doing today is putting the 88 Monte Carlo back on its own frame right there, trying to make up space. This garage is full of junk, and it's all of my junk. I like to hoard stuff. Yeah, Victor always complains that I'm always hoarding all this stuff, and it's true. I mean, look at it. I'm over here building towers and stuff in my garage, but I'm getting rid of some things. I'm selling some things, trying to make some money for parts, because car parts ain't cheap.
We're just trying to get ready for Texas 2K, or at least
Texas 2K19. We're gonna be ready for that. Hopefully, I mean, we will. That's our main goal. It's until March 2019, and right now we are on December 28th, 2018. So
we're really aiming for Cletus and cars on February 28th. So.
Yep, Cletus and cars, February 19th. You said
2019.
2019 on February 19th.
No, I don't know. I forgot.
Oh, you don't know the date? Oh, well, Cletus and cars
Somewhere's 2019.
here in Houston, Texas. So we're about to see if we're gonna make it to that point. Hopefully we will. But yeah, guys, we're trying to bring out the 85 that day. At least to have it running, at least. But we're not gonna do no. We want to do burnouts, but we don't know yet about that. Victor says he is. He says he's gonna sponsor me, but we'll see about that. But yeah, guys, we're just cleaning up a bunch of mess that we have here. We're just trying to get situated. I have a bunch of tools that I just moved off to the side. So pretty much what we're doing is making space so we can roll this body back out and get it back on the frame. So once we get it back on the frame, then I think we'll be good, and we'll have more space. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the 85 back in, but you won't see that part because you ain't see that video yet that I haven't posted, so y'all have to be tuned for that. We're gonna have to move this body out back outside, and just like how we did it on the other video, guys, we're gonna do it the same way. I might be missing some body mounts, but that's fine. Like I said, it's just temporarily. I'm gonna remove it again and, you know, go ahead and notch the frame and reinforce that, but that's for another day. Finally got the body outside, and it was kind of a struggle because those flats were getting wobbly and they wanted to tilt, and we didn't want the whole body to fall. Like one of the flats just, you know, comes out and somebody can get hurt, so we were just being very careful, but we finally got it out. So next move now is to remove the wheels and put the flat dollies on the frame, so the frame would be a lot lower. We're gonna remove these flats off, place jacks all over the body, make sure it's really mounted well, and go ahead and remove those wheels, push the frame inside, and just let it sit, and hopefully it goes out well, guys. Go ahead. All right, guys, so we got this corner jack off, and we are already halfway done. Having a little issue. Freaking frame is hitting the house, so well, just by a little bit. It was earlier But now we just gotta check for clearance in the back. Watch out. Oh, he scared me for a second. I don't play around with things that are on jack stands and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this camera down and go help Victor put in the rest of this frame back inside. And I went ahead and just used this big old block of wood that's like a 6x6, and got the jack in the center of the gas tank. And as you can see, the frame is almost in. Victor just needs to push it a little bit more so you guys can see. Yeah, go ahead and push it a little bit. Well, easy on the jack stands on the other side.
I know.
Okay, so
I'm already here.
as you can see, guys, this is where this part of the frame sits on, right here. And it's just a little bit more to go. The frame is basically in on the rear of the car, so we are good on that. I just got to remove this bumper so this part of the frame doesn't damage it or bend it, or maybe I'll just hold it up so whenever it sits down it won't get damaged. So let's go ahead and check out the front of the vehicle. All right, guys, so the frame is almost in. Basically it's in, it's just a little bit more. And yeah, see, Victor's straightening the frame, and it needs to go a little bit more forward. A little bit more. A little bit more. That looks about right. Okay, so we just need to remove that jack stand right there, and we have two other more jack stands on the driver's side of the car. There's 1 and 2. All right, guys, so we are basically done. The frame is under the car, and I went ahead and used this jack and picked up the front of the frame so the mounts will, you know, line up on both sides. And I was just like, well, I might as well put the front tires on the front, so when I lower it, the frame will be somewhat higher. Then I gotta go on the rear of the vehicle and do the same thing. I'm gonna use the jack to lift up the diff, the rear diff, and then from there I'll put the wheels. So as you can see, guys, how tall the front of the frame is with the first wheel on, and the back of it, it's literally looking like it's hitting the floor, but it's not. It has a flat in the diff. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap on the other wheel on the other side and work on my way to the back. All right, guys, the two front wheels are back on, and now it's time to go ahead and jack up the back of the rear diff to lift up the entire rear of the frame so I can put the wheels on the back. All right, guys, as you can see from right here, the frame is actually on the body. Well, the body is actually on the frame now. I didn't get to position it correctly, as you can see by the frame mount, but that's all right. I'm not bolting these frame mounts on again. I'm gonna just have it outside temporarily. This is just part of the update that I'm letting you guys know. I am gonna cover this. I live in Houston, and Houston is very humid outside, so it's been raining this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it real good. Put one of the T-tops that I have on the passenger side. I don't have the driver's side, so I'm just gonna go cover it up with some plastic that I have and tie it up really good, maybe like 2 layers of plastic, so if water, you know, hits, it's gonna slide down. I'm gonna try to find a way to, you know, cover the roof and cover everything, even though it's still gonna be kind of exposed from the humidity, but that's fine. This project needs to be set to the side. Let's go ahead and finish up putting the rear tires on the frame. I just had an idea, so I just went ahead and put the jack on the passenger side of the diff. So technically it's going to be lifting up only the passenger side of the frame. Let me show you. As you can see, it's lifting up the frame, so I'll be able to put on a wheel. There we go. Let me go ahead and get the lug nuts. Alright, so I only have 3 lug nuts. That's fine. It's not like I'm gonna be driving the car. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the last wheel on my frame. Alright, last wheel is on. Alright guys, I am finally done. It is 11:30 at night. It took me about 3 hours to do this, but it was well worth it since I needed to clear out my garage and be able to work on my other Monte Carlo. So that's my main project at the moment, and this is a sitting project that I just put it to the side as of right now, because I have better plans for this car at the moment, and this car is not going to be running anytime soon. This is a, you know, patience project, so I'm going to be taking my time restoring this car. Okay guys, next step is to cover the car with some plastic that I have somewhere around here in this big old pile of junk that I got. Let's see. Well, it's not all junk, it's some junk. Okay, right here, yes. Piece of plastic wrap. Some people use it for painting, for indoors, outdoors, it doesn't matter. But I'm using this to cover the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the car right now. Done. There it is, guys. Car is covered. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover that car right, because I don't know if I covered that. But yeah guys, I am done for tonight. Calling it a night. Gonna go crash out. Gotta wake up early tomorrow and get to work on my garage, because it needs some work. It needs some organizing, some cleaning, and you know, a lot of stuff. So go ahead and crash out, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.